Hola, hola, hola! Welcome to my vlog! So tomorrow we're gonna have two parties. Actually, I forgot to vlog the first part because I've already set up the table. But yeah, one part will be here upstairs and one will be downstairs. So here, my nana is gonna have Christmas lunch with her college friends. I just put gauze fabric and I think pine wreath. Ay, mali. Pine garland pala. And those things. And then, may likhang balay placemat. So, these are reversible. And then, Nanay's vintage plates. And then, I'm asking Connie. Say hi, Connie. Yan, to put ribbons here kasi I wanna... Paano naman? Oh, because I wanna put it here or, I don't know, something pa. Something. I just wanna put accents. So, I'm not yet sure. So, I'll just put you... Yan. So, let me teach you how to fold, how to make the Christmas tree napkins. Fold it. Yan. Dapat may space na maiwan. Tapos, another one. So, malamang gagawin ko rin to upstairs. 12 kasi yung kay nanay. 12 din yung sa akin. O, diba? 2 parties siya talaga. And then, fold it. Ay, turn it up. So, inside. Ay, hindi pala upside down. Turn. Ano ba yan? Fold it. And then, dapat, the line, the pointed line is in the center. And then, you fold it inside. So, this one, I let the yayas do it na kasi time-consuming. Kasi nga may tassels pa to. So, you have to fold it inside. And inside. Yan. Make sure that all, if your napkins are like this, make sure that everything is inside para clean siya tignan. Ayan. There. Yan. And then we put a ribbon like this just so that there's an accent. Diba? Pero yeah, this one has to be cleaner. So later I'll come back after they have done it. Done! Okay, now we have to go out upstairs and do another table. See you. Okay. Table number 2, but I have to rearrange this whole place kasi nga we're gonna have an acoustic player pa there. Acoustic artist. Okay. In that area. So I have to move things around. So now we're moving the tables and then we already moved the sofa. Ay, Kuya Barn, move it. Kasi alay ko na table machine naman. Hello. So I decided to use my new plates and then new napkins, napkin ring, and then we're gonna put some, what do you call that? Ano matawag dito? Red bilog-bilog. Para may Christmas feels naman. And then I'm just asking Melody to put that one again. It's already 1:54. Can you see it? We're almost, well, we're done somewhat, but we still have to wash the plates. And ano bang wash natin? Yun pala. Plates. At saka yung servings plate. And we need to buy cubiertos. Kasi nga, hindi pa kompleto yung stuff ko dito. So, need to buy cubiertos for tomorrow. Because what we have is not enough. I didn't realize naman that I'd be serving 2 parties at the same time. So, tomorrow, Daryl has to head to Landmark. Kasi I have a meeting pa. So, good night muna. Good morning! This is how it looks like in the morning. Hindi pa maayos. Let's go to my mother's table. Really turned out nice. I was very surprised. Nice, no? Love it. So happy how this turned out. These Santas, parang, I remember this, parang siguro mga 30 years ago na, putol na nga. At pinabikutin ko. Ayan, like that na lang. From 40 years ago, I think. And then I had to add another setting here because kulang the long table. Sabi ni Michelle, my friend, parang gingerbread theme daw. I love it. Just saw this on naka-display. So just put it there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Cute yan. Kasi that's from probably 40 years ago. The quality is still good. Oh. From 40 years ago. Si nanay kasi mahilig sa Santa. Tingnan mo. Dami naming Santa. Oh, yun pa. Everywhere. There's Santa everywhere. Ayan o. At this one naman I bought for her. Kasi nga she loves Christmas. Yan. Hi Santa. Yan. That's my nanay bought that one. She loves Christmas so much. Hello. Hi Leah. Just finished working. So here is the final setup. Yan. May kubiertos na kami. Bought it earlier. Yung brand niya. Yan. Yan yung brand niya. Can you see? Cuisine. Yan din ni Daryl sa Landmark. So there. Bye for now. I hope you like my setup.